If you want to make Discord messages show a secret countdown or display dynamic timestamps that update automatically for everyone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Discord secret countdowns and dynamic timestamps using simple timestamp formatting. This is super useful for event announcements, launches, reminders, deadlines, and anything where you want Discord to show the correct time for every user's time zone without manually converting it yourself. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, you need one very important thing, a future timestamp. Discord uses Unix time for these dynamic timestamps, so your first step is to choose the exact date and time of your event. This could be a giveaway start time, a stream schedule, a meeting, or any future event you want people to see in a countdown format. To get your Unix time, open a timestamp conversion website like unixtimestamp.com. Once the site loads, enter your date, your time, and if needed, the exact second. Then click Convert. The site will generate a Unix timestamp for you. This is the number you'll copy into Discord. Make sure you use the correct future date, because if you paste the wrong timestamp, your countdown will be off. Now let's go over the different Discord timestamp formats you can use. The basic format is T:timestamp. This tells Discord to display the date and time in a default style. If you want a live countdown effect, use T:timestamp:R. The R stands for relative, and this is the format that shows things like in 2 days or in 3 hours. That's the secret countdown style most people are looking for. If you want a cleaner date display, you can use T:timestamp:F. This gives you a short date and time format. And if you want a more detailed display, you can use T:timestamp:F, which shows the full date and time. These formats are great when you want your message to look more polished and professional. Now here's how to build the countdown in Discord. Copy your Unix timestamp from the converter site, then go to Discord and paste it into your message using the format you want. For example, if your event starts soon, you can type event starts, T, your copied Unix stamp, R. Once you send that message, Discord will automatically turn it into a live countdown for everyone who sees it. The best part is that Discord adjusts the display based on each person's local time. That means your server members can be in different countries, and they'll still see the correct countdown or timestamp without needing to calculate anything manually. This makes it perfect for communities, gaming events, content launches, and scheduled announcements. If you want the message to show a specific date and time instead of a countdown, just swap the R format for F or F. For example, you could write event time, T, your copied Unix stamp, F, or event time, T, your copied Unix stamp, F. That way, you can choose the exact style that fits your message best. A quick tip before you finish. Always double-check the timestamp after you convert it. If the countdown looks wrong, it usually means the date, time, or time zone was entered incorrectly on the conversion site. It only takes a second to verify, and it saves you from posting the wrong schedule in your server. Once you've pasted the timestamp into Discord, you're done. That's how you create a secret countdown and dynamic timestamp that updates automatically across different time zones. It looks simple, but it's a really powerful Discord trick for keeping your community informed and excited. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tips, setup guides, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.